The Google Hangout Meets is my favorite conferencing app. I also suggested it in my previous video, that is on the top 5 alternatives of the Zoom app. So in this video, we'll see the top tricks of the Google Hangout Meets. Without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first trick is on the chatting settings. What you can do is allow your users to chat themselves and those messages will not come to you. So they'll be able to chat privately or personally. In order to do this, just go to normal G Suite settings and there come to the Meet settings under Hangouts, and you need to just click this mark. So in the fourth column, you just have to click this one. Users can chat with other users. The second feature is to allow all the people to get into the Google Meets. That is, you can switch on this dial on, and if you do, then you'll be getting a number, and if you share the number with any participants, they'll be able to directly call and it will be connected to the Meet and they will be recorded as one user. So even though the video is not available, they can at least hear the audio and make use of it. The third feature is very interesting because usually what we do is, if anybody is not on the call, you just go to the normal app and then call them and ask them to come, or just text in WhatsApp and tell them please come, the meeting has already started, you have to attend it right now. Instead of doing all those things, what you can do is, being the administrator, just go to add people, and there next to that, next to the invite, you'll be getting call option. Just dial their number, so their call will directly be connected to the meeting. So this was done in a recent update and it's really good. The next feature is, if you want to be very accurate on your speech, or if you want to know what you're speaking and the right message is conveyed to your participants, then you can turn on this caption. Also, the viewers can also turn on this caption, and it will be very useful for those who are having audio problem, or if they choose to read rather than listen. So based on the working of this caption, I can rate it as 3 out of 5 because it is not as good as YouTube caption, auto-generated caption. Anyways, it will be updated in the near future. Now the fifth feature is, you can directly record this meeting. Just go to the 3 dots and click start recording. And it will notify all the participants in the Meet. And this file, the recorded file, will directly be stored in your Google Drive account, whichever you are linked. And the link to the Google Drive account will be mailed to your personal email address. So Google has really worked out on that. So those were the top 5 tricks that I wanted to share. These tricks are for administrator, not for the participants. For participants, I've been searching through some tips and tricks. I've got one or two. So I can't make a video on just 1 or 2 tricks. I just want more than 5 or 6. Anyways, stay tuned, we'll be making that video very soon. So that was pretty much everything about the Google app, the top tricks on that. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.